Hi, are you a parent, healthcare worker, an employee looking for an honest and legitimate way to supplement your resource? Hi, my name is Roselyn Mounds, originally from Philippines, living here in Florida, USA. I just wanted to share with you how I started my online business. Back in 2019, when I moved here to Florida, on that time I was in the middle of divorce of my ex-husband, and I don't have money and I don't have a job, and I don't know what to do on that time. Because I have two kids, and after I divorced with my ex-husband, I was thinking I don't know where I start from here. How can I live here in United States without anything? So I that time my somebody helped me to go to school, and I finished the school, and then I work at the laboratory in the hospital. I work day and night, and my daughter is only 11 years old, and sometimes when I work at night, I leave my daughter with my son with them because I can't afford to pay in the daycare or somebody else to watch my son because it's so expensive in this time. So I worked for like 2 years, and then last year I was looking in online. I was research what work can I do, because I realized that I don't have quality time with them. So I was looking online, research online, until one day I seen the ads in social media, and I click it and I watch a pre-webinar. After I watched the pre-webinar, I joined right away and I started my journey. Through this business, I have a lot of time, quality time for my kids and my family. I go out with my friends and I go to church in the weekend with my kids, and they're very happy. And this business is very flexible. We have a automated system that work for us. You don't need to beg your friends and family to join with us. All you need to do is your phone and laptop and this business. What I love about this business is no shipping cost and inventory fee. Is anyone looking for an online business and don't know how to start? Maybe this is right for you. If you join this business, I will guide you in every step of the way. Learn more by clicking the button below and connect with me with Facebook or message me directly. See you inside. Talk to you soon.